everybody, so we are back. Now I usually start out like this with my collection. Okay, I need to explain to y'all, I haven't made any videos because my collection ends right there. I haven't got any so far in a while. But just to let y'all know, we are going to be going to my dad's shop today, his metal fabrication shop, and me and Eric are going to do a collaboration. So he's going to do a video on his channel at the same time that I am on mine, and we're going to have two different views of it, so it's going to be on each of our channels, but that's going to be later today. Which, by the way, go check out Eric's channel if you haven't. Okay, so before we get started today, it's gonna be, you guys need content, so I'm just gonna, maybe do a battle or something. My friend at school, his other friend, not Eric, Timothy, I just call him Timmy. But Timmy, if you're out there, he asked me to give him a shout out. So shout out to Timmy for being my 8th subscriber. So yeah, and another reason I haven't been making many videos lately, I've been a little overwhelmed with school. I'm just going into middle school this year, which at my school they count 7th grade as middle school. That's when it starts. So I'm a little overwhelmed with all the homework and all the stuff. But that's another reason I haven't been making any videos. But enough about this. But yeah, just stay tuned because me and Eric are going to make a collaboration at my dad's shop. Ever since the night the meteor crashed, we've been transformed from just animals to the heroes of Gujitsu and the stretchy, squishy heroes that fight against evil. Which, by the way, do y'all like my new floor? It's not floor, it's actually a piece of metal from my dad's shop. But yeah, if you like it, I think I'm gonna enable comments this time. Go put in the comments if you think I should stick with carpet or this. Kind of liking this, but it's up to y'all. I'm going to do a poll in the comments. I'm going to see how many people, vote for each one. So, yeah. But strange things started to happen. Ever since then, we've been transforming and changing. And we've been upgraded into these more powerful heroes each time. From Dino Power to Dino X-Ray to Galaxy Attack. And now, we, the heroes of Gujitsu, now have even worse enemies to face. Tarak changed into Dark Matter Tarak. And why do I have my visor down? I'm on Earth. Tarak changed into Dark Matter Tarak. And we also have Ultra Rare Crustacoid and Orbitox to deal with now. But yeah, let's get on with the battle, people.
Yes, run in terror, citizens.
Dark Matter Tarak. Oh. Blazagon, prepare to be Blazagon.
Yeah, bone power.
I found this new air vacuum suit and an airlock. I wonder how this is gonna work. Great way to ruin the moment, Thrash. I can fight you, Tarak, now that I have this air vac suit. I can stay in one place when I stretch. Tarak.
You pathetic Ojutsu. Yeah.
Seriously? That's all you got. 'Cause I'm thirsty for more.
Oh, okay. I surrender.
Sorry, guys. I'm not sick, trust me. But I think the battle is over. The heroes of Gujitsu have won. I'll go put these back up on my Galaxy Attack shelf. But I think for the remainder of this video, I have about 7 minutes left. I'm going to do, until it says I need to verify an account and make a longer video, I think I'm going to do a farm vlog. Introduce you to my farm. I mean, it's not called the Goose Show for nothing. I have a goose. But I'm going to show you all my animals. So let's go. Actually, this video was recommended by Timmy, my 8th subscriber I was talking about. Yeah. So, I'm just going to go do a farm vlog. There's my shadow. If I can find them. There's a lot of strange things going down at the farm. You animal lovers will probably like this video. So, yay. Okay, it's open. Me and my dad both come down here and work with him, so he probably let him out. But I'm thinking, that is why our channel is called The Goose Show. Because of her. So yeah. She's mad right now. But you animal lovers will probably like this. There's this hen that just had a baby. They're out. Let's see if I can get the baby. Now she's very protective over her baby, so I don't really want to disturb her. See that baby? So cute. I think it's gonna be a Bantam rooster because it's already growing some feathers on its legs at this early of an age. It's so small it can come through that fence. Which, I mean, it is just a baby, but still, it's that small and it's yet that mature that it's already out eating. This is one of our Rhode Island Reds. Come here, baby. She's a hen. I don't know. Come here. Come here. Okay. It's okay. That's her. She went to sleep. Whenever you hold her, she goes to sleep. Guess it's just pleasant. It's okay. Hey. Leave a like if you like my animals. Where's Henrietta? Henrietta's my favorite. She's a good girl. Oh, there she is. She's laying. Henrietta. Oh, she still hasn't made a deposit. No, girl. Henrietta, come here. kind of hard to grab a chicken with a camera. I'll go set this camera down really quick. There's Henrietta. Henrietta, say hello. She's a good girl. She lays almost every day, which is good on a farm. That's one reason we have chickens. We'll never have to buy eggs again, as long as they're alive. As long as the hens stay alive, never have to buy eggs again. But yeah, that's a little bit of my farm, which I haven't even shown you the goats. I think I'm gonna do that. There's Abraham way down there. For the sake of time, I'm just gonna show you Carolyn. That's Carolyn. Okay, I think she might actually, we've been suspecting this for a while. I think she's with child. She has two pretty big udders. So I'm gonna say she's with child. Yeah. So yeah, I've got other videos already planned for today that I'm gonna make and probably even post today, but yeah. So, stay tuned for any upcoming videos. The best way to do that is to subscribe. I know I put a lot of like and subscribe things in here, but, it really helps out the channel. And if you like my content, you can, support me by subscribing if you already haven't. If you watch me, why just watch and not subscribe? No, I'm seriously not pressuring anybody. Like those channels that are like, subscribe right now or you'll have bad luck for the next. It's stupid. But, yeah. So, see y'all in the next video, which I'm probably going to post today. Goodbye.